A Florida woman is going to jail after she was caught on camera coughing on a fellow customer at a Pier 1 store last summer. Wow. It just so happens the woman she coughed on was being treated for a brain tumor. The coughing woman was sentenced to 30 days in jail, a $500 fine, and 6 months probation, along with a mental health evaluation and anger management. But the question is, does a jail sentence make sense for coughing on someone during a pandemic? Jeff?
Absolutely. What would my sentence be if I punched that woman in the face? Because that's exactly what she did. She assaulted somebody. If you spit on somebody, that's the same as me punching you in the face. But if a man does it to someone else, you're going to get a longer prison sentence, right? But if you do that to somebody, what, you get 30 days in jail and you have to go to whatever it is, anger management? No, you should be treated as that was an assault. I say throw the book at her.
Yeah, I agree with you. I think, we look at COVID, right, and it's a weapon. You could lose your life to COVID. You could end up hospitalized to COVID. You could be like my brother-in-law who's awaiting a double lung transplant as we speak in an ICU for 3 months now. Or you could be someone that's a long hauler. So you get COVID, you get mild symptoms, and then for months and months and months after, you battle with asthma or you battle with other conditions. So to purposefully cough in someone's face, to purposely go into a store without a mask when it is mandated for you to do so, not only illegal, not only egregious, but yeah, you better get, I was going to say something I shouldn't, but you better go to jail. You better go to jail. Do I sound like I'm being too?
No, I was like, I mean,
okay.
Mic drop. What else are we supposed to say?
Okay, so
like, I'm good on her being in jail. Real good. And I'd like to see some community service that has her making up some wrongs.
Or be around COVID patients.
She needs to go to the ER.
Yeah.
She needs to go to the ICU, and she needs to see not only those individual patients struggling, she needs to see how the families struggle. The way it impacts family members is absolutely excruciating. So I hope that part of her sentence is going to an ICU, protecting herself, but at the same time learning how her cough puts not only one individual, or could possibly put one individual in a position to fight for their life, but an entire family waiting in limbo while their loved one is fighting for their life.